Hi superstar, it's learning time. Remember small steps every day, make you a topper. Let's solve today's challenging question with confidence and a big smile. Ready? Let's begin.
Question number 1. Choose the correct sentence. Option number B. Neither of boys has done the work. It is correct sentence. Question number 2. Fill in the blank. If it dash tomorrow, we will stay home. Our answer is option number B. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay home.
Question number 3. Choose the correct passive form. They wrote a letter. या वाक्याचा आपल्याला पॅसिव्ह फॉर्म करायचा आहे. तर पॅसिव्ह फॉर्म आहे अ लेटर वॉज रिटन बाय देम. ऑप्शन नंबर बी हे आपलं उत्तर आहे. नंबर 4. चूज द करेक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ द इडियम. ब्रेक द आईस. ब्रेक द आईस मीन्स द आन्सर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी. टू स्टार्ट अ कन्वर्शन. नंबर 5. चूज द करेक्ट आर्टिकल. He is dash European scientist. The answer is option number A. He is a European scientist.
Choose the correct synonym of a bright. The bright of synonym is shining. Option number B. Question number 7. Choose the antonym of the brave. Antonym of the brave is option number B. Timid.
Question number 8. Choose the correct indirect speech. She said I am tired. या वाक्याचं आपल्याला इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच करायचं आहे. तर हे वाक्य आपल्याला प्रेझेंट टेन्समध्ये दिलेलं आहे. तर याचं इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच करताना पास्ट टेन्स होतो. म्हणजे शी सेड दॅट शी वॉज टायर्ड. ऑप्शन नंबर बी हे आपलं आन्सर आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. आयडेंटिफाय द टाईप ऑफ सेंटेन्स. हाऊ ब्युटिफुल द रेनबो इज. द आन्सर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स. Question number 10. Choose the correct form. He has been dash for 2 hours. The answer is option number C. Waiting. He has been waiting for 2 hours. Question number 11. Choose the correct question tag. She can dance. तर आपला क्वेश्चन टॅग आहे ऑप्शन नंबर बी. कॅनॉट शी. तर आपलं सेंटेन्स हे पॉझिटिव्हमध्ये आहे म्हणून आपलं आन्सर हे निगेटिव्हमध्ये येईल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. चूज द करेक्ट प्रिपोजिशन. ही वॉक डॅश द रिव्हर. The answer is option number A. Across. He walked across the river. Question number 13. Fill in the blank. The news dash shocking. The answer is option number C. Is. The news is shocking. Question number 14. Choose the correct option. A person who reads a lot is called. The answer is option number C. Bookworm. Question number 15. Choose the correct conjunction. Dash he tried hard, he failed. The answer is option number B. Although he tried hard, he failed. Question number 16. Choose the correct verb form. Each of the boys dash present. The answer is option number C. Each of the boys is present. Question number 17. Choose the correct spelling. The answer is option number B. Beautiful. 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 The answer is option number B. Question number 18. Choose the correct option. A group of wolves is called a dash. The answer is option number B. Pack. A group of wolves is called a pack. 19. Fill in the blank. I prefer tea dash coffee. The answer is option number D. 2. I prefer tea to coffee. Question number 20. Choose the correct form. He speaks English better dash me. The answer is option number A. He speaks English better than me. Question number 21. Choose the correct tense. By evening, he dash the homework. The answer is option number D. Will have finished. By evening, he will have finished the homework. Question number 22. Choose the correct voice. Open the door. The answer is option number A. Let the door be open. Question number 23. Choose the correct homophone. I will dash the lesson again. The answer is option number B. I will hear the lesson again. Question number 24. Choose the correct pronoun. Dash of these books is yours. The answer is option number A. Each of these books is yours. Question number 25. Choose the correct adverb form. She sings dash than her sister. The answer is option number C, more sweetly. She sings more sweetly than her sister. Great job, champions. You tried, you learn, and you improve. That's what makes you special. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scholarship trick and tips. See you in the next video. Keep shining. Thank you.